today's the day. I know you guys have been waiting for a long time. This coffee table right here, being given away. Let's find out how it's made. Stick around to find out how this could possibly be yours. We're gonna have a contest. I'm gonna give it away. Before we get into the how-tos, a couple things going on. I have a P.O. box. I will leave that down in the description below if you want to send me something friendly. I've had some requests for that, so I'll put the information down in the description. So, and then I have a Mandalorian wall plaque video that I'm going to be dropping tomorrow, I think, as well. So for this particular, look at all these fucking hand movements. I don't know, I'm losing it. How do we enter into this little contest? First and second, subscribe, hit that like button. It helps YouTube know that this matters. Helps me continue doing what I'm doing. Then I want you to leave a comment. Comment on what you want to see, what you liked about this table, about this build. Let me know if you'd be interested in receiving incomplete furniture, because that second coffee table is going to be in pieces. Then the last piece of the puzzle is to share this on a social media platform. Doesn't matter which one, but share it somewhere. Tag a friend, say, hey, here's a guy making stuff, he's giving it away. He's pretty cool. I think so. So come check it out. And then after that, comment on your previous comment and write done. So, because I needed your help. That's how this boils down. You guys are gonna be the the foot soldiers in this war towards free furniture. I mean, that sounds right to me. And then the deadline for selection on this is going to be April 3rd. So I'll be live streaming that to make a selection, and we'll go from there.